Hi guys, so you are going to find this page at the end of your reading packet. After you've read this story, The Boo-Boos That Changed the World, I want you to go ahead and fill in this graphic organizer. So don't forget to write your name and today's date, February 26, 2021. So over here on where it says who, you're going to write down who this is about. Now this one's kind of tricky because it looks like a fictional text because it has illustrations in it, but it is a nonfiction text, okay? So you're going to write who this text is mostly about. That's why I'm not saying story, right? It's a text. Next, you're going to tell me what they did, when did this happen, and where were they? Okay, so that's what you're going to do on that page. You have this page as well. This one is talking about comparing Band-Aids. So over here, like it says, using text evidence, compare and contrast Earl's first Band-Aid to the current kind of Band-Aid. So using your text, you can find it on Epic. I've assigned it for you. I want you to go back and I want you to tell me and describe in full sentences how the first bandage looked, what it was made out of, and different things like that. Then I want you to tell me about what a Band-Aid can look like today, right? They look a lot different than the very first Band-Aids. Then the last thing I want you to do is think about those two inventions and how they changed over time and think about how they are the same. What is one or two things that they have in common? All right?